What primary source materials exist from Malcolm X's assassination? What primary source materials exist from Malcolm X's assassination? This tragic event took place on February 21, 1965, and it left a profound impact on the civil rights movement and the rise of the Black Power movement. Several key documents and records provide a direct glimpse into this pivotal moment in history. First, the Federal Bureau of Investigation maintained extensive files on Malcolm X. These documents, totaling over 3,600 pages, cover his political activities and relationships. They also include reports and internal communications that reveal the government's interest in him during the civil rights era. Next, the New York Police Department and the District Attorney's Office conducted a thorough investigation into the assassination. Their case files include trial transcripts, interrogation records, and witness statements. They also contain evidence collected from the crime scene at the Audubon Ballroom, where Malcolm X was shot. This documentation details the prosecution of the three men convicted of his murder and their subsequent appeals. The trial of Thomas Hagen, Mohammed Abdul-Aziz, and Khalil Islam generated extensive court records. Hagen admitted to the murder during the trial, while the other to maintain their innocence. These documents provide insight into the legal proceedings, including testimonies and arguments from both the defense and prosecution. Eyewitness accounts also play a significant role in understanding the assassination. First-hand testimonies are preserved in various formats, including video footage and written statements. Contemporary newsreels captured the immediate aftermath and public reaction. Notably, Ossie Davis's eulogy for Malcolm X serves as an important audio record reflecting the impact of his death on the community. Official medical documents, including autopsy photos and bullet analysis, provide forensic evidence of the nature of Malcolm X's fatal injuries. These materials are essential for understanding the physical circumstances surrounding the assassination. Photographs taken at the scene, along with ballistics reports, offer visual and scientific documentation of the crime. These images and reports were part of the investigative and legal process. In the 21st century, renewed investigations led by the New York County District Attorney and organizations like the Innocence Project produced new primary documents. These include re-examinations of evidence and witness interviews that contributed to the exoneration of two of the convicted men decades after the assassination. From a 1960s nostalgia perspective, these primary sources capture a turbulent moment in American history. They reflected the intense political and social struggles of the era. The materials not only document the tragic loss of a powerful voice in the Black Power movement but also reveal the complexities of law enforcement and government surveillance during the civil rights era. They serve as direct windows into the 1960s atmosphere of activism, conflict, and the fight for racial justice.